In this video, I just want to show you a very quick tip in Mari if you want to import multiple maps at the same time without wasting any time. So this to me is one of the fastest ways to import everything you need for your project. I just created this folder with a bunch of random maps that I use for this character. As you can see, I just have my thickness that I baked out of Substance. I have my AO and a bunch of other isolation masks. So I'm just gonna go here to my channel tab, click here. I only have one channel right now. I'm gonna right click and there's a channel preset option. And then we have this tab. I'm going to click here. Don't click on the scan button when you have this set to your user path, because it's gonna start scanning for every single map in your computer. So don't do that, otherwise it might crash your computer. So what I wanna do is I'm going to select this folder and you can put it there, or you can just browse and search for it. And then you just scan it. So what this does is it's gonna scan a folder and find all the masks that have the UDIM naming convention. As you can see here, it already added the UDIM option in the end. What you can do, you can just select to import all this map. You can choose the ones that you want. You can either create, or if you have the channel already in your scene, you can just import into the map, into the channel automatically. If I just select all of these, you can change the color space, you can change the bit depth and everything you need. One thing I wish this channel preset had was an option to import into selected patches. Right now, the only option that we have is all patches, but sometimes it would be nice to just import specific UDIMs. So I just selected everything here. I'm gonna click OK, and then it's gonna start importing everything. And here on the side, you can see that it loaded all the channels, and then I'm going to speed up this process a bit. That's it. We have all our maps into Mari now, and you can see they're all in the node graph, so you can start organizing these maps. And I hope this can be useful for your workflow if you use Mari, especially if you have an asset with multiple UDIMs. This is really helpful. Okay, and as always, I see you next week.